Hey everybody, this is Tony Blackman, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments, and I want to talk to the aspiring or even seasoned real estate investors in the area. If you are thinking about getting into investing, or if you're a seasoned investor, it's important for you to know market conditions. And interest rates definitely play a big role in the condition of the market, because if you're an investor and you're in, being a landlord, you're into being a landlord, buying property, renting it out. If interest rates are real high in regards to what people can get a loan for, then that could be good for you as a landlord, because it'll push people away from actually purchasing their own home to live in, because the interest rates would be so high. So they'll turn to, renting a home out, and that's where you come in. Now, if interest rates are extremely low, that could push, your potential tenants into just purchasing a home themselves rather than renting one out. So that's just one factor in regards to, checking the overall market in regards to real estate investing. If you are an investor or a seasoned investor who wants more real estate advice, feel free to give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit my website, www.investparamount.com.